said you had me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do.
So, as you can see, I have treads for the stairs now, so that it's a lot safer and softer when we walk down the stairs. And I finally got cutting these templates for the treads for the landing, because these have to be custom made. So the seller on Etsy gave me some instructions about what she needed to produce these, so I had to like do all the painter's tape and, you know, indications about what side is what. See, this is the back right, the bull nose here, the right side. This one I just extended a little, that's why there's like tape in the middle there, but I should remove that. But so I'll send these in to her, and hopefully we'll have the whole thing covered, and it'll look really nice, I think. These down here are like a slightly different size, and oops, they're a little longer, but they're really nice. These were not cheap. These are pretty expensive, but they're removable. They just have like little stickies on the back, and you just stick them on the stairs, and they go like just towards the bottom. They don't have like, they don't fully cover the bull nose, but they go right over the bull nose, and they're really nice. They have all kinds of different colors and stuff. I obviously need to vacuum, but I thought this was like the best sort of subtle pattern, and I like them a lot. They're very, very soft and very well made. Again, not cheap, but worth it, because we're up and down these stairs all the time, and now they look really nice. Thinking about dressing up the front of the stairs a little bit, but you know, I can do that at any time. So that's the progress on that. I'm gonna fold these up and put them in an envelope. It's Vlogmas time. It's Vlogmas time again. Hello! Hello! Welcome to Vlogmas, where I am your best friend for 25 days. So I'm very excited to be doing Vlogmas. I had to take a month break, obviously, after Vlogtober because it was a lot. But I've been hanging out. I'll give you the updates on all the things that have been going on during my break. I had some sponsored content that had to go up in November, so I did that, but for the most part I was missing. I'm very sorry, I missed you all, but I needed to take a break, as I do have another channel. A lot of you who are here are also over there, and there is it's a little lower pressure over there, so I'm pretty much just chilling over there on the gaming channel. So it's a different kind of work, so I have been over there, and but it is time for Vlogmas, and I'm very excited. I love vlogging. I know you guys really liked the vlogs in October, so I am back. I am back, and I will catch you up on what's been happening in the house. I do have a lot of things to do today that are boring that I'm not gonna vlog. Frankly, I have a lot of editing to do. I have some writing to do, but I'll tell you what's in store for this Vlogmas. So I am going to vlog 5 days a week and upload a pre-recorded video on the weekends, just so I don't get completely burnt out and I can keep pumping out the good stuff for you guys, so that I can, you know, hack it. I do have a lot of exciting stuff happening. I am going to be launching a like members only program for another website called Vibely. I'm very excited, very, very excited to be launching over there. So I will put a link down in below that you can check out Vibely. My program has not launched yet. Do not try to find it, but when it is live, I will link it down below and up here. But you can check out Vibely anyway. But it's going to be a like masterclass on home organizing, and I'm very excited. So if you're interested in like getting like a really like intimate, like hands-on organizing program, that is where you'll find it. Couple of medical updates. I don't know, I'm giving medical updates because on my last video that I was talking to you guys, I said that I got a BRCA test. to test for the gene that causes breast cancer, or increases your risk for breast cancer, or is linked to an increased risk for breast cancer. I'm just like refining my my phrasing to be more accurate. Yes, that came back normal last week. So I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case you were wondering. And I also found out last month that I do have an ACL tear and a meniscus tear in my knee, this knee, that I like fell down the stairs on stage in 2019. So currently in physical therapy, trying to work it, like get the strength up, because I do think I'm gonna have it fixed. Because I want to continue to do athletic things. I don't like the instability of the knee, and I would like to have it fixed. So February is where I'm aiming to, because I figured I don't want to be outside in February and it's going to be like, you know, snowy and disgusting. So that's the perfect month to like not be able to walk. So I'm aiming for February, provided nothing insane happens, you know, between like now and January. Because in January I do have to travel. We'll see what happens. It's wild. But anyway, that's what's going on. Oh, I'll update you about what's been going on in the house, because I'm gonna be working in my office for the next couple of days. I do have a concert like in a couple of weeks, so I'm trying to get ready for that. I do need to practice some music today, because I'm singing in like a small group. So I have to be like on my game, and I haven't been to rehearsal for a couple of weeks because I've been sick with a cold. It's not COVID, we got tested, so we're both recovered, but it was a harrowing couple of weeks. So anyway, I'll show you what's been going on in the house. Get excited. I feel like I'm talking to Milo a minute. I haven't been in front of the camera like this in so long, so I feel really awkward, but you guys saw we took Clover to the park today. Very cute. And let's look around the house and see what's going on. So I feel like my office looks very similar. I did get a couple of, well, there's like boxes that I need to unpack there. But I moved, I planted my philodendron burl marks cuttings, finally. They all had rooted, and I put them all together in a pot, and now they're happy. They're next to my desk. They're my little desk companion. And yeah, that's my desk. Still loving the stuff from Grove Made. It's so beautiful. This is like, oh man, it's like so pretty. And I finally got a nice pair of headphones to put on my headphones holder, so it didn't look like, you know, it looked bad before. So these fit on here, they look nice, and they're nice headphones too. Next, still working on the entryway, but, oh, there's the things for the stairs. I did get some wallpaper for the entryway. This is called Woodland Fantasy, and it's from a brand called Temp Paper. I love Temp Paper, so we're gonna use this in the entryway. I'm gonna get rid of this blue. I know a lot of you loved this blue, but I'm just not feeling it. Now, I live here, so I have the final say. I'm gonna paint the insides of these wainscoting indents the same color as the trim. I don't know why they painted the inside trim there, but we're gonna paint it the same color. I think it's the same paint as the trim. It's called, what's this called? Timeless. Oh my gosh, look how dusty the trim is. Yikes. So we're gonna paint all over the house. I got some paint samples from Claire Paints, and I'm very excited to figure this out. I got like 4 sets. I got like a set of whites and beiges and like greens and blues. So, and some grays. So we're gonna go around the house, see which ones we like wear. Thinking of the bedroom is gonna be one of these like lighter, either like the gray color, or you know what? I don't mind this color. This is called Current Mood. Yeah. I don't mind this. Like, look how pretty that is. Okay, looking at it next to a blue is not really gonna help anybody. Here it's on a white. It's got that, it's like a green blue, like light teal color. I really like it. So I definitely want to utilize this color somewhere in the house, but possibly the bedroom, because the bedroom steals my soul every time I go in there. And progress on the living room. I'm gonna work on this cord situation, but we did have the TV hung, so there it is. We're gonna install a blower on our fireplace, because the TV gets super hot when the fireplace is on. So we haven't really turned it on, but it's getting cold, so we're gonna do the blower thing, install, that way we have protection for the TV. But that's that. And we did order another frame TV for downstairs, so we're gonna have a second living room downstairs. Very excited. We ordered a couch for downstairs finally, after like looking around forever, and we have found the perfect couch. We're very excited. It's a fun color, unlike this one, which is just a generic gray. And I'm very excited for it to arrive. I guess everything else is kind of the same. Like the bedroom's still like a really sad blue color. We definitely have to repaint this, but we haven't been, I don't know, we just haven't found the energy to repaint. I think I definitely want to make this a lighter color. I just don't like the blue. It's so, the light doesn't bounce off of it. It's just really, it's too dark for this room. Like, look how dark. It's a beautiful color, but I can't handle how dark it is, you know? Oh, by the way, the dresser is working out really well. We really like it. Well, Eve's the only one who's really been using it, and my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma is living its best life over here in its little pot and on its little trellis. Very cute. So other than that, things are still, they're still kind of the same. I am going to finish some boring admin stuff that I've needed to do for the last like hour but haven't done. First, I'm gonna get a coffee though, and then I'm gonna finish editing a video for my other channel, and then get to the boring admin stuff. Ugh. Well, it's Wednesday, December 1st, and it's now officially okay for me to start listening to Christmas music. I did that this morning. Very good. We also have this Christmas, well, this like fir pine smelling oil that is in our house that smells amazing. So we are, I'm kind of in holiday mode right now, and I'm very excited. So this vlog was very boring. It was just an update video, basically. Welcome to Vlogmas. But I promise the next few will be just like good Vlogtober vibes. We took Clover to the park this morning, and I have just been feeling warm and cozy about like Christmas coming. I don't normally get super excited about the holidays, but like I'm kind of excited today. So I have a lot of things to do, like a lot of chores to do today, because I just have a lot of projects on the docket ready to be done. So I will take you with me tomorrow on my chore day. First thing that I have to do is like install some lights, grow lights for my office, although I can do that this evening. We'll get the tree out. We're not decorating it, but we'll get it out. And I have to organize the storage room. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to do, but I hope you're looking forward to Vlogmas. I'm so sorry this video was kind of like, meh, not very exciting, but I'm really, really excited to hang out with you this December. Every day, we're gonna have fun. All right, I hope you are taking care of everyone around you and yourself too, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.